What is going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here for you. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray. This one here is the 256 gigabyte version. Comes in this nice big box here, and they got it pretty well packaged. Instead of cutting all this out in case you want to use it again, all you really need to do is flip these thingies here out. You don't have to destroy these nice boxes. A very nice black box that it comes in now. Has iPhone there, iPhone on that side. I still have to take this plastic off. So yeah, that's actually really nice as to last year getting the XS Max coming in the white box. I like this one a lot better. So let's take a look in here and see what this looks like. Woo, look at that. That's nice. Oh, gotta love these iPhones. And as always, very well packaged. Has a nice little plastic piece sticking out here that's covering it. You can just pull it right out. There's a good look at the phone. Oh my gosh, it's so nice though. Look at all those cameras. 3 cameras in here, and now this thing will do 4K. I think it's the selfie camera that does like 4K 60 frames now, which is crazy. That's pretty awesome. Steel frame around this thing. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. Wow, look at this power adapter. It's bigger than the other one. Why is this not black though? It would be nice if it was a black color. Anyway, that's a little different than the old style. And then you have headphones in here. And it looks like we have a cable down there, and it's probably the same length they always send. It is a Lightning and a Type-C. Is that Type-C? Let's take a look because I'm going to be getting that out anyway. That is a Type-C connector and Lightning cable, and there are the headphones. Of course, there is no headphone jack on here. That was taken away from us. Basically, you just plug in to the port down here for your headphones and all that good stuff. So that is what comes in the box, and that is what that looks like. Let's go ahead, and now we're gonna get this thing powered on. We're gonna go ahead and peel off this. I pretty much save everything in case I need to repackage my devices. So this thing is looking amazing though. I really am so happy to have this. Here's just a look at the iPhone XS Max. I'm going to send that in to get a refund. And here's just a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the 256 gigabyte version, and this one is as well. So yeah, I mean, it pretty much looks like the same old iPhone except for this whole assembly back here. Let's go ahead and then we'll get this thing powered on for the first time. So I'm not going to go through and set this thing up at all. I just wanted to do an unboxing and just share this with you guys. I'm going to do more reviews, more videos later here. So before I go, I just want to show you guys what this looks like in this SPIGEN case here. I'm going to put links down in the description for all this stuff. And there's another thing I wanted to take a look at. So if you want to turn this phone off, you need to press this button over here and the volume down key at the same time, and you'll actually get the power screen here. But there's different ways to actually power the device off. But what I want to do is take a look real quick at this charger. This is Samsung's 2019 15-watt charger. I want to see with this phone powered off if it will automatically come on if we just set it on the charger. I wanted to see if it was compatible with that. And I also want to show you real quick before I go what it looks like in this case. And there it is. It's coming on right now. So that is good to know because yes, it is compatible with the charger. So I'll put a link to in the description for all this stuff. And right here I can see the little charge lightning bolt thing in the screen there. So it is working, and it probably works this way as well. I know this is an unboxing video, but there's not much to unboxing videos anymore. But let's go ahead and take this out and see what it looks like in this case. SPIGEN makes really nice phone cases, so we'll just take a look at this. Here's a quick look at the SPIGEN case designed specifically for this phone. These things always fit very nice, like just slide right in there, real slim, slide right in your front pants pocket, and you can see it's like perfect. It's not going to interfere with a screen protector or anything like that. So these phone cases work very, very nice. They're like a smooth matted, feel to them, texture, real nice. They fit like a glove, all the proper cutouts, all that good stuff. So there is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I know that most of these iPhones, I'm pretty sure all the versions, the 64 gig, up through the 256 and 512, this only has 4 gigs of RAM operating in it. Obviously, it must be efficient enough, or they wouldn't do it that way. But I believe there's much improvement here to the selfie camera. Being able to record now at 4K 60 is pretty freaking awesome. Let's go ahead and see if this thing will charge on this awesome wireless charger with the phone case on. Let's see what it says. Yep, 73% charge. Completely compatible. This is a really good combination of things as far as equipment. So I have right here is the Note 10 Plus 5G model. So there's those two side by side. I mean, we could go over specs and all that good stuff, but you guys can look that up. Anyway, I don't know where I'm going with this unboxing, but I just wanted to throw some stuff out there for you guys. Maybe a little bit of this was helpful. I'm pretty sure you can throw a fast battery charge at this thing of up to 18 watts. So I was looking at some specs, it's like 50% in 30 minutes or so. But anyway, that's pretty much all I had for you. Just a quick unboxing. I want to show you guys my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256 gig, space gray. If there's any comments or questions, check out the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm going to be having a bunch more videos coming on this phone. Very nice looking phone already. Can't wait to try out some of these photos and all this cool stuff. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next one.